Cheese Grater. The Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater and Kitchen Mandoline Vegetable Slicer stands out as a versatile and efficient tool for both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Designed with a vibrant red color and constructed from durable stainless steel and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS), this product combines aesthetics with functionality, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen. Weighing just 0.9 pounds, this grater is surprisingly lightweight, yet it feels sturdy in hand. Its compact dimensions of 4.72 ELers into 3.54 botters into 9.455 Hs make it easy to store without taking up much counter space, which is essential for smaller kitchens. The thoughtful design includes 3 interchangeable blades, enabling users to effortlessly shred, slice, or grate a variety of ingredients, from cheese to vegetables. This versatility is a significant advantage for those looking to streamline meal preparation. One of the most admirable features of the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater is its ease of use. The rotary mechanism operates smoothly, allowing for quick and efficient grating with minimal effort. Users can enjoy the satisfaction of freshly grated cheese or finely sliced vegetables without the hassle of traditional hand graters. Moreover, the product is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleanup process and enhancing its practicality for everyday use.